that? Is that Ben?
Yeah.
Ben, I got you on the camera. Do something. Make it worth my while. Haley? Haley? Hello? Wave to me. Come here and talk to me. Look at you. I've got you in the camera.
Just taking a picture of you today.
Hello, Ben.
Ben, what does Michael say? In the bedroom. Your room?
Playroom. No,
Where is it?
in my room.
Oh, in your room.
That's all, George.
Mom, you remember that big old bonfire we had that one year?
Yep.
You're talking about that.
We got anything to burn this year, Dad?
Yeah.
Is this your bicycle? Alright, be careful.
Want me to hold the banana
Ah, yeah.
for you?
Grandma, why don't you hold?
Make it easier. Here. I'll hold
Oh.
it for you for just a minute. I'll give it right back, I promise.
Set it on the seat or something, Haley.
Make it easier to hold on.
Now lay it down.
Oops, it
There's
went
a
down.
spot for it.
No.
There's Chelsea.
Show them what you have, Chelsea. What do you have in your hand?
Oh, a cell phone. Cool. Make it ring. Make it ring, Chelsea.
Make it ring and see if Tyler answers it.
Did he try to answer it?
I was gonna answer out
I
the barn.
tricked them
Did
once.
catch you on it too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I picked up the phone.
He's from Mount St. Helens?
Yeah. What I put this mini in?
Where'd you get this at?
I'll hold it.
I got a garage sale. Someone gave it to me.
Where did he get them from?
From his grandson.
Nephew. His nephew. He has a farm near there and the whole farm is covered with that.
Oh.
Hey, Amy.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go on an airplane.
Who's playing?
Papa?
Hey, Peppa.
This is your captain speaking. Drain the low card for water. This protects it from birds.
Hey, get out of the way, Ty. Kind of small. I don't know. What do you think, Ty?
You know the dead bug's off. You exit.
Y'all done?
Yeah. Gotta get those bugs off or the crust on there and you never get them off.
I got a couple cameras there in the bus. And I'll give you one for Christmas.
Nice sign.
He said he'd get $30 for it. I wouldn't want him priced at my place. Gary bet he'd have to give me about 5 of them 10.
All right, Dads. Sunday.
It's all,
August the 4th.
can't make any money anymore.
It's hard to make money.
You know, it's unreal.
Church that
Yeah.
I built.
You're